Yoga is the golden key that unlocks the door to peace, tranquility, and joy. A very warm greeting to Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, respected teachers, and my fellow mates. Here, this is Akanksha Shukla of Class 12th of KV number 1 RV Jodhpur. Came with few words on one of the important and necessary thing in our daily routine, that is yoga. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental and spiritual practice originated in India. Dehradun to Dublin, Shanghai to Chicago, Jakarta to Johannesburg, Himalayan highlands or sun-burnt desert. Yoga is enriching millions of lives all over the world. While different powers in the world divide us, yoga unites us. It provides peace to an individual. Instead of further animosity, yoga assimilates. The word yog derived from the Sanskrit means unite or to join, symbolizing the unity of body and consciousness. Recognizing the universal appeal on 11 December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as World International Day of Yoga. Today, we should opt the theme as Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family. This is practiced in various forms all over the world and growing continuously in popularity. Yoga is an invaluable gift from our Asian tradition. It embodies the unity of mind and body, thoughts and action, which is valuable for our health and well-being. It is not just about to exercise. It provides a sense of oneness with yourself, the world and the nature. It is more than the physical activity. In the word of one from the famous practitioner, respected late B.K.S. Langer, that yoga cultivates the path to maintaining the systematic or the balanced attitude to day-to-day skills of life, and on those skill in the performance of one's action. Yoga helps the people to reduce causes of physical inactivity, which is one of the top causing leading death for worldwide, and a key risk factor for the non-communicable diseases like cardiovascular, diabetes and even cancer. So let's participate together in this Yoga Day to celebrate this ancient and traditional practice that retains global importance even this modern time. Thank you for giving your precious time to my words. Take care of your body, because that's the only place where we have to live in. With this, I am concluding my words. Thank you.